used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave, and by the time it's done.
So I've gone along and I've vacuumed all the bottom here to stop anything from coming up. Now the funny thing about these paintbrushes is when you want to get paint down there, you don't just do that. What you do, you wiggle your paintbrush like that, and it forces the paint down the bristles like this. Watch this, and we can get it in behind the carpet basically. This carpet's going to be replaced, so it's no big drama. But anyhow, this is it. Put a little bit more so you can see. Now if you didn't vacuum this, you'll be picking up a lot of rubbish on your brush. You don't want that. So definitely give it a good vacuum in that corner, or even pull the carpet up if you can. I don't have to do that, I'm not bothered with that at the moment. Carpet people are going to pull this carpet up. Well, you could cut a couple of inches of carpet there to make it comfortable to work. So that's it, yeah, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And then even to get it in a hole like that, you would wiggle. So it's something that you use all the time. Get that wiggle happening. Forces the paint from here up into the end of the bristles. I've caulked all this gap in here because it was just an absolute mess. This is basically a first coat. I'm going to run some sandpaper over there to get all those fat edges off. Got a dog howling in the background. Now, you would never do this on a new home, but on a house that somebody rough's been painting it for 20, 30, 40 years, and they get paint all over that, and there was a huge gap here. I mean, it was probably 8 mil, that gap in here. You could stick your finger in there nearly, and it's basically on the whole house. So when they've done the window frames or timbers, they've stuffed up in their sizing. Now this has got to have 2 more coats on it with the enamel. So this is the actual wall paint here. So it's had 1 undercoat because it was, I think this one was a bright pink. One of the wall paint. The undercoat was an oil based, so anything you put on now is going to stick.